DIY solar homestead. Well, there's a little place over there in the fence I didn't think the chickens would find. They found it. They're smart little critters. So, Lord knows, there's more than enough bugs under there. Some of that wood chip area is 8 inches deep. Wood chips, the permaculture kind of thing. So, I'm gonna let them graze. They're gonna scratch up those wood chips and get lots and lots of bugs. I was thinking, oh my God, they got out. And I stopped. Well, that one's gonna eat the hairs on the corn stalk. Well, there's plenty of corn. I'm not gonna worry about it. There you go. Pest control, folks. Now when they find the tomatoes, it'll be a different story. I don't care. They get almost all the tomatoes anyway. So I think I'm going to sit here and drink beer and shuck some peanuts and enjoy this. This has never happened here before. I'm going to enjoy it while I can. Because I don't know if I'm going to give them many days like this. But if they don't harm any of the vegetables, cool. They're not going to eat a whole lot anyway. I have a lot of kale, parsley, all kinds of stuff out there. They don't like peppers. They can eat that grass too. Eat it up. Eat it up, girls. So this was a rooster, the gray one. And one of the black ones, there he is. He's back over there. So it looks like I have 2 roosters and 5 chickens. 5 hens. And the average chicken gives 4 eggs from what most homesteaders say. So 5 times 4, that'll be 20 a week. I can't wait. I'm going to have to make a lot of chicken fry. I used to make fun of chicken fly lice. I stopped saying that when one woman in a Chinese restaurant said, I speak perfectly good English with a good English accent. And I didn't have the courage to speak to her in South Korean. I dishonored her, I guess. I don't know. She was mad. Where'd they go? The vegetables are that way. Oh well. There's one that's coming back. There's no bugs out here. There must be 3,000 bugs under those wood chips. Alright, they're going to play with the compost area. I'm just chilling. I got all the products that I need for making battery cables. Yeah, I spent 20 here and 20 there and 20 here, and I think I got everything I need. I need to get my butt to the basement and start soldering battery cables. 4-aught cables. I got the copper tubes because the lugs for these big cables are $10.50 each. I think 10 of them are like $120. Don't do it. Just get copper pipes, folks. Get the copper pipes and you cut them down and you make those your lugs. And then you solder them. If you don't solder them, you will get corrosion and then you won't get much contact. I hate these airplanes. And you will lose power eventually as it corrodes in there. You can crimp them down, but if you don't put solder on them, then they will corrode through the years. That's what a lot of solar people say. So I have some I crimped last year, maybe the year before, maybe 3 years tops. I've been crimping my own, and I need to solder them up before they're corroded. They don't look like they're corroded at all, but they need to be soldered soon. So I will get off my lazy butt and get that going here pretty soon. And sit here and enjoy the critters with peanuts and beer. Have a nice sunny day.